Do you ever dream of waking up one morning, blinking away the blur, and realizing you can see the world in perfect clarity? No glasses, no squinting, just pure, vibrant vision? If that sounds like magic, I get it. But what if I told you nature has been quietly holding the secret all along? Today, I'm sharing 8 magical herbs that have transformed my approach to eye health and might just change your life too. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a greener, clearer, and more hopeful outlook on your vision. Let's jump right in. First up, bilberry. This little berry is packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, that support blood flow to the eyes and protect those delicate vessels. I toss a handful into my smoothies every morning, and honestly, my eyes feel less tired even after hours at the screen. Next, eye bright. Aptly named, right? Traditionally used for centuries to soothe eye strain and redness, a cup of eye bright tea at the end of a long day feels like a warm, gentle hug for your eyes. Number 3, ginkgo biloba. This ancient herb boosts circulation, not just to your brain, but to your eyes too. I notice the difference on those days when the world just looks a little sharper. Then there's fennel. Crunchy, fresh, and yes, great for your sight. Fennel seeds are rich in nutrients that may slow down age-related vision loss. I sprinkle them on salads or steep them into tea. So simple. Let's talk saffron. Not only is it a beautiful spice, but research shows saffron may help improve vision in people with age-related macular degeneration. A pinch in your rice or tea, and you're good to glow. Number 6, green tea. Those catechins don't just fight off stress. They shield your eyes from oxidative damage. I sip green tea daily, and it's become a ritual that feels like self-care, inside and out. Marigold or calendula is another gem. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, it helps filter out harmful blue light. Sometimes I even brew calendula petals into a gentle eye wash. And finally, turmeric. Its curcumin fights inflammation, supporting your eyes at the cellular level. I love adding a dash to my golden milk before bed. It's comforting, and my eyes thank me for it. Look, I'm not saying you'll never need glasses again, but nature's pharmacy is powerful. These 8 herbs have changed the way I see, literally and figuratively. If you're ready to see the world with new eyes, let me know in the comments. What will you try first? And remember, always check with your doctor before adding new herbs to your routine. Until next time, here's to brighter days and clearer vision.